Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to get on here, bag on my hair and everything. I'm getting ready to wash my hair. My hair is currently in I have conditioner in my hair, and as I was putting this conditioner in my hair, I'm like, hold up, my hair texture looks like it's getting better, you know, like the curls are popping more. Like if you can see this, like my curls look amazing. The heat damage side, it looks like a lot of my texture is coming back in. Of course, I still have some heat damage ends, but the way my hair was when I did that wash and go, especially in the front, like look at this. And I should put a side by side of what my hair was looking like. I didn't have all this. There was no texture in any of this part of my hair. And look at it. And again, this is the heat damage side. You can clearly see. And all this texture now was not there. It was bone straight pretty much. So the only thing I've changed, and you guys know I haven't done anything. I have continued to flat iron my hair and stuff. Only thing I changed was I started using the Mekasa Beauty. Come on, focus. There we go. So this is Inches by Mekasa Beauty. They are launching on Monday. So if this video goes up before Monday, they are launching Monday, January 11th. So make sure you are following them on Instagram at Mekasa Beauty and get ready to purchase yourself a bottle. This stuff has worked so amazing on my hair. The ingredients that are in this product helps to penetrate deeply into your hair strand to help repair damage. It helps to strengthen the hair follicle. It helps with dandruff. You guys all know how I was about my scalp eczema. So it helps with the flakiness. It helps to grow my edges in. Like my edges are looking good. And my hair in the front grows extremely slow. And my edges have been coming in so nicely. Like I am just so excited about this. The texture of my hair, like these curls are amazing. And if you guys haven't watched the video where I did the wash and go, again, I already showed like a side by side. But if you didn't watch that video, you can definitely watch it and just see a difference in my hair. Even on this side, how much curlier this side is. And of course, I still have some heat damage. Like everything is not going to revert completely, but I've got a lot of my texture back and I don't have as much straight ends like I did in that video. I'm just super excited. I cannot wait for you guys to try this product out. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I just wanted to share that with you guys, that this oil has been working really great on my heat damaged hair. Is really helping the texture to come back. So this oil really deeply penetrates the hair. It helps to strengthen it. And again, I can't wait for you guys to try it out. So make sure you're following Mekasa Beauty on Instagram, and they launch on Monday, January 11th. So that's in 3 days. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay positive and always smile. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.